Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? Today, in the opportunity of crypto, we have an amazing opportunity, and that is Tron. Everybody, Tron. I just made my first trade on Tron, and as you can see right now, I'm up 70%. Of course, I didn't, invest that much, only 100 TRXs, but I'm already up 70%, guys. And the reason why I can pick these coins and I know what to look for is because I have over 5 years of experience in trading. Okay, I've traded things like, leveraged crypto. I traded options. I traded stocks. I traded futures. And now I'm in meme coins. I've dabbled into everything, and I've acquired so many skills. And this is why I'm here on YouTube, is to give you all these things, all these knowledge, all this knowledge that I have been, learning over the years. So, like I said, this is my first trade, guys. I'm up 100% right now, and the opportunity is on Tron, guys. Tron, it's it's amazing because this is brand new, guys. This is a brand new opportunity. I don't think you understand how early this is. Okay, we have coins that are only 5 days old called Sundog, absolutely obliterate faces and hit a market cap of 250 million. The opportunities are endless, guys, and it's right there in front of our faces. We just have to grab it. Okay? You have things like Sun which is absolutely going hard right now at 3 mil. We have Troj. These coins are brand new, guys. These things are brand new. Okay? And they are doing multiple numbers. Now, this is a good entry. How to trade these things and when to look for entry and all that good stuff. I highly suggest that you study Fibonacci retracements. Okay, it's going to aid you a lot. Now, what kind of levels we can enter at are right here at the 0.7 area, or in this kind of area right here. Anytime you see a coin go up, massively shoot, and you probably missed your entry. You wouldn't want to enter here or even here. You have to wait for it to just, settle down. That's if you are trading a coin that is not, super fresh. If it's been out for a while, you want to wait. You want to wait a little bit, let it settle down, let it, hit these levels, the 0.6 and the 0.7. Those are areas where a lot of buyers would want to take these, excuse me, would want to take these coins. These levels are zones of loading up, especially down here in the blue. This is where people load up and they wait for the next leg forward or the next leg up. Okay? So you can do this, you can find these coins just by looking out here and putting your filters on, see what's kind of moving. Like, for example, let's go ahead and put let's put some filters here. Fully diluted market cap, I want a minimum of 50K. Or let's just put market cap minimum 70K, meaning it's going to hold the price of it coming out of Sun Pump. Guys, if you don't know, Sun Pump is where these coins come out from. It's like the pump fund, but for TRX, okay? Now, of course, you can buy these coins just on their website. However, I don't think it's smart to do it that way. Okay? Where were we? We were right here. Don't need this. Okay. So, yeah. Market cap, pair age, let's put like 24 hours. Okay? 5-minute transactions, 5-minute buys, 5-minute volume. Let's put a minimum of 30K. It's because, you want some things moving. Let's see what else. I think this should be good. Okay. But this says age is 5 days. Trending 6 hours. Pair age 20. Oh, minimum 24 hours. Sorry, I said max 24 hours. Apply. So these are the ones like worth looking at right now, and they already pumped like really hard. So would probably want the 5-minute volume to be like 10K. Let's try that. Oh, we got a little bit more. Let's bring it down a little bit more. Let's say like 5K. Give us just a little bit more, you know. And you start scouting and looking. Like, okay, we have this coin. Never be top blasting, guys. Please do not top blast. It's just it makes things just so much harder for you to actually make profit. Now this is just a dog, like I'll show you. Let me remove my face. So this is just a dog, just a regular dog. I don't know if there's much much demand on it as compared to something like this, Sund. This could be, this could easily have some demand. Let's put our fib levels here and see when would be a good point to enter to look for another like move higher. Just in hindsight, 2.19 million, which is a 0. Sorry, not in hindsight, but just looking at it, just looking at the chart. Even, yeah, hindsight too. 0.78 fib level, perfect entry. Now have a look at this. It's called Sund. Right now, go ahead and open up Dex Screener and tell me, because you are seeing this in the future, of course, and tell me if this wasn't a perfect entry. Could be wrong, but just like eyeballing it. So you use some filters, check out what's kind of, what's trending, what's actually getting some traction. Okay, that's one way to do it. The second way is you want to be at here, Dex Tools, okay, and you want to look at brand new releases, coins that just hit the market. Okay, I use I also use RSI. It helps me out, but I can't wait until Bullx integrates this. Bullx is guys, if the link in the description, use it for Bullx. That's for trading anything Solana, ETH, Base, Blast. We have 4 chains, 6 chains. I'm pretty sure also Binance, BNB chain. I'm very sure very soon they will have Tron on Bullx. So I'm super excited for that. Use the link in the description to sign up. And for now, guys, because because there's not many tools, like advanced tools to use, right? Just for now, I am using this trading bot to trade on TRX. It's called Sunbot by Sundog. Right now, Sundog is like the top coin on the chain. So might as well. And I saw a few people. I saw Profiteer. Shout out Profiteer. I saw Profiteer using this. So I was like, might as well. There's a couple of other ones that I'll probably check out later. But let's just see what's going on with this for now. And guys, I want to shout out a couple of people here. Shout out, of course, Profiteer. He's live daily. Check him out on X and Kick. I want to shout out Shamrock. He's also one of the, he's on X, one of the goats. You guys should follow him. Who else do I listen to? I follow. Handsome Finance. Shout out to Handsome Finance, guys. He's also putting a lot of good content right now. Insider. I don't really watch Insider that much, but shout out to him. These guys are pioneers in the industry, and we're coming for you guys. We are literally coming for you guys. We're gonna take this crypto freaking thing Crypto CT is going to be talking about us very soon. So make sure to get in my Telegram. Make sure to get, like, if you want to see, we this is what the kind of things we do in my Telegram. So make sure you guys join. Link in the description. And I'm giving you guys this kind of knowledge because I want to see you win, guys. I really want to see you win. When everybody is, when everybody is especially in crypto, is looking at the other person and, they don't want to see you do well, and they don't want to see you win. But I want to see you win, guys. I genuinely want to see you win, because I know there's a lot of scams in this industry, and I want to try to help. So you see something like this. This just came out. Right now it's at 300K. I wouldn't be buying here. I would probably be waiting for a dip to buy. But meanwhile, oh my lord. Meanwhile, okay, whatever. Meanwhile, let's do our research. Okay. Sometimes I like to ape and just, do research later. But let's do our research. So we take our token address, and we first check it here on Dex Tools. We don't have that much information here. We can see top traders. Yeah, we can see who bought and sold, who has the most. Okay. What I don't like about this, it doesn't show me percentages. So what I'll do is I'll take this same contract address here to Dex and check it out here that way. That way I can see how, holder's not available. See, yeah, I want to see the holders. I want to see how much everybody has. So I probably wouldn't touch that one. Probably I wouldn't touch it. We don't have that many tools right now. That's why, it's kind of a little bit, not hard, but like takes a little bit more work to do this. Right now, guys, you see a lot of coins are coming in, like 1 minute, 1 minute, 2 minutes, where before it was like 30 minutes, 1 hour. And you'll have 3 coins that do well, that just right off the launch. Like right off the launch, this is a great freaking trade, guys. Right off the launch, if you see it hold, you just ape and then wait for a new high, and that's a trade. That's, of course, if you're just, you don't care, you just want a quick trade in and out. But if you want to, if you want those like 50x's, 100x's and all these good things, you want to do a little bit more research. Like even this still hasn't updated. If you guys know any tools that you're using right now for, trading on Tron, drop them in the description. Let me know. I'm always open to learning. Tap in with me, guys, on X. Just tap in with me, and let's freaking kill it together. All right. If you have any other questions, please let me know, guys. Okay. Sun pump. This is the new thing, guys. This is the new thing. We're both, we're learning together as we go, and it's good to adapt. It's good that we have a new chain that maybe we can redeem ourselves instead of like before. There will still be the pumps and dumps here, but let's try to make this a little bit better, guys. Better than Solana. Not a lot of not a lot of profanity and all that good stuff. I think Sun Pump, they don't even list these kind of coins. Let's see, where is it? This one. It's 150K. I don't think they'll update the socials. This is what I heard. So yeah, they wouldn't update the socials for coins like that have profanity or something like that. So that makes it a little bit better. Even then, this is still wanting to go. I've seen people talk about this. Wow, this could rip, honestly. This could rip. This chart could easily rip. I'm not gonna lie to you. People probably have loaded the shit out of this. Okay. People have probably loaded the shit out of this. Sund, This came out today and it did freaking phenomenal. Went to like, what is it, 10 mil? It did go to 10 mil, yeah. See, imagine you caught this at like 600K and it went to 10 mil. That's a great trade, okay? That's a great trade. And you have to be super adaptable, guys. Like, we are super early. A lot of things are going to be changing. So always stay ahead. Always, watch what's going on in the Telegram groups and in the on Twitter, in spaces. Stay connected, guys. What's really important in this space is having a network and staying connected. We, of course, have our own network in the private syndicate, which is called 100,000X and, or was it 10,000X? One of the two, but we freaking print, guys. So find a group, find, a tight ship that you can, rely on, and you have seen them perform, and you know that you can trust them. Of course, I have the incentive to tell you about my private group, which currently costs 5 Solana to get in. I will be increasing, or we will be increasing the price as we go. Because communities or even networks like this are really hard to come across. We're not like these guys who shill tokens all day and pump and dump on each other. No, we look for good projects, something that we see potential in, of course. But yeah, let's get connected, guys. Join my TG, my public group, and we can talk and chill and make a lot of money, a lot of X's, guys. Thousands of percentages are coming, and I'm very confident about it. I can literally feel it. Like look, I put my glasses on right now. These give me so much extra power. It's absolutely insane. So get freaking ready, because we are about to make history here, okay? If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you want, all the links in the description for the bot I use currently, and for Bullax, and for Good Morning Good Night. I know we mentioned Good Morning Good Night a couple of videos ago, and I'm pretty sure they will be integrating Tron really soon. I don't want to sign here. They will be integrating Tron really soon, but if you want to just look at Solana meme coins and analyze and follow wallets on Solana, this is the platform to do it. All links in the description, guys. As always, I am super blessed to have you here, and I'm super thankful for everybody watching. And yeah, this is your opportunity, so make it count, guys. Really make it count. And with that, I am out. Peace.